Impaired driving means that a person's ability to operate a moving vehicle is reduced or impaired by alcohol or other drugs by changing the function of the brain and body. Let's say you get up in the morning and take a prescription medication and an over-the-counter pill for a head cold. Then, at lunch, you have a glass or two of sangria. If after lunch you take your cold medication again, you may experience the synergistic effect of all those drugs and drinks working together.
Driving while impaired from any substance is unsafe, it's dangerous, and it's illegal.
The dangers of being an impaired driver, reduced brain function and response time, drowsiness, and the increased effects of synergism not only affect you personally, but could have catastrophic consequences for other members of our roadway community.